Today's drawing class. First make straight line, then make half circle. Here also make half circle. Okay, then make two line like this and do like this. Again you do like this. Here make like this, then half circle. Okay, now you can rough this line. Okay, you can rough like this line and two line. Again make one line and half circle, again half circle, two line and join like this. Okay, then make like this line here and make like this. Then you can draw line here and make circle. Okay, here also make one more line and half circle, and make two line and do like this. Here like this line joint, here also two line and joint. Okay, now you can draw this line, then you can make circle like this, two line. Okay, and one more here, half circle, here also half circle and two line and like this, two line here line. Okay, then again rough, then make circle, two line. Okay, then make here circle and like this, circle like this. Here dot one, yes, make dot, and here grass, make grass and like this. Okay, okay, now color. Now color, first put sky blue color here, then dark blue line, then put yellow, orange line, orange, yellow, orange color eye, here orange, here also same, orange, yellow, orange. Okay, yellow, orange, here also same, here yellow, orange, yellow, orange. Light green, here also light green. Dark blue line, here dark blue line, and dark blue this dot. Okay, thank you.